मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे अपने चैनल न्यू वर्ल्ड विथ मैथ। सो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो हमारा है क्लास 9th चैप्टर 2 पॉलिनोमियल्स। टू अंडरस्टैंड द पॉलिनोमियल्स, फर्स्ट वी अंडरस्टैंड द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल, दैट इज अ पॉलिनोमियल एन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ मोर देन टू algebraic terms, especially the sum of several terms that contain different powers of the same variable. That means, for example, 5x plus 1, 5x square plus 1, x to power 7 plus 2x4 minus 5x raised to power 0. Here, all the terms are polynomials because here you having x as a algebra and which having more than two term or more than two terms. So these are polynomials. In this chapter we discuss several things. For first, types of polynomials. So for to understand this, we types polynomial by the number of terms. First, as monomial. Monomials means a polynomial which having only one term. And second is binomial. Binomial means a polynomial which having at least two terms, which having only two terms. That means here you can see some examples: 5x square plus 1 and 5x square plus x raised to power 0. And third is trinomial. Trinomial means a polynomial which having three terms, which may be constant or algebraic. And next is zero polynomial. Zero polynomials means every coefficient value. Here coefficient means constant. That means magnitude. For example, 5, 9. So all the constant value stays zero polynomial. Okay, students. So here some examples: 0 plus 4 minus 0, 4, and so on. And next our topic is coefficient. In this chapter, next topic is coefficient, and you all know coefficient is the mathematic value which multiplied with algebraic number, such as here you can see 5x square, where 5 is a coefficient and x square is variable, and 5x square is the term. Okay, students. So this is the basic introduction of the chapter. Now we start our exercise 2.1. So in the exercise, the first sum is here. All of you can see that which of the following expression are polynomials in one variable and which are not. State reason for your answer. So here one thing always remember that any expression is said to be polynomial if the power of algebra is a whole number. That means it may be power 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., etc. If the power of the algebraic value is negative or fraction, then the expression cannot be say a polynomial. To understand this with deeply, now we take some examples. And first example is 4x square minus 3x raised to power 1 plus 7. Here all of you see that x is a variable whose power is a whole number. So the answer is yes, this expression is a polynomial in one variable x. Okay. Now take another example: y square plus root 2. And here you can see that y square is also a whole number power. So yes, this expression is a polynomial in one variable y because it have only one variable. And now this is the another example where you can see that 3 root t plus t root 2. You can see in this expression the power of t is 1 by 2. So, and we discussed in the beginning कि if the power of expression or variable is not a whole number, then it cannot be say a polynomial. So our answer is no, it can be observed that the exponents of variable t is not a whole number, so this is not a polynomial. Okay, here some examples, and this is the fifth part, that x raised to power plus y raised to power 3 plus t raised to power 50. Up in the question you see that the question asks us the polynomial in one variable, but you all of see that here we have three variables. First is x, second is y, and third is t. So no, it can be observed that this expression is a polynomial in three variables such as x, y, and t. But we only want a polynomial with one variable, so that's why the answer is no. Now we come our question number second, in which we find write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. We all of you want the coefficient of x square. So in the basic beginning we discussed that coefficient is a mathematical value which multiply with x square. So in first question we have 2 plus x square and x. अब now you can see that here no value is multiplied with x square. If no number is multiplied with x square, then we let that 1 is always multiplied with variable. So the coefficient of x square in this expression is 1. So a coefficient of x square is 1. There are several examples in this. This is question number second part, 2 minus x square plus x cube, and here you also see that no value is multiplied with x square, but we discussed in previous question that if no number is multiplied with the variable, then we take 1 as a coefficient, but here is a negative sign, so we take as a coefficient of x square is minus 1. And their third part is pi by 2 x square plus x, so the coefficient of x square in this question is pi by 2, and root 2x minus 1, and in this part we have no x square value, so the coefficient of this is 0 because we have no x square number. Okay, now this is the fourth part of the exercise is fourth question, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. So here we underline that degree word, and for to understand the degree, first understand that what is degree. So degree is the maximum value of any variable in the expression. Degree is the maximum value of variable in any expression. That you can see first part 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. So in this question x cube, that means the power of x maximum is 3, so degree of the polynomial is 3. And now we discuss second part, 4 minus y square, in that the maximum power of variable is 2, so degree of this polynomial is 2. In third part 5t minus root 7, now the power of t is 1, so degree of this polynomial is 1. And in fifth part we have only 3 constant value, but we have no variable, so I let x raised to power 0, because if any variable having power 0 or any number having power 0, that means we have 1, so the degree of this polynomial is 0. Now we discuss our question number 5th of this exercise, classify the polynomial as linear, quadratic, and cubic. So linear means a polynomial which having maximum degree 1, that means power of variable is 1. And quadratic means the power of variable in the expression is maximum 2. And cubic polynomial means the power of variable in the expression is maximum 3. So take some example. First question is x square plus x, and you can see that we have x square the maximum degree, so this is a quadratic polynomial as its degree is 2. And we take second part, that x cube minus x cube, so it is a cubic polynomial as its degree is 3. And that is fourth part, 1 plus x, and here the power of x is 1, so it is a linear polynomial, its degree is 1. So with this question our exercise is finished. I hope all of you enjoy and practice the exercise, listen carefully each and every word, and any doubt comment me on my channel. I will make another video on this topic. Thank you, students.